This is one of those I didn't know I needed that items. vanzlife Pnch-Free Vacuum Cleaner Bracket Storage Rack Universal Backrest Shelf for Dyson 7V8V11 Midea Puppy Dust Catcher Holder. A good version of this kind of product feels consistent, looks clean, and matches the listing specs. If you're comparing listings, look for clear photos and specs, not just marketing words. For products like this, the right variant matters more than hype. Pick based on specs and use case. Don't forget to compare shipping plus coupons, the final total can change a lot. Best practice, pick the option that fits your needs, confirm dimensions, then validate with buyer photos. Before you decide, check buyer photos and recent feedback to confirm the look and build. If you want to verify everything, the link is in the description. So if vanzlife Pnch-Free Vacuum Cleaner Bracket Storage Rack Universal Backrest Shelf for Dyson 7V8V11 Midea Puppy Dust Catcher Holder is on your list, take a second to pick the right option and verify the details. If it fits your situation, it's a straightforward, useful pick.